Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to save pictures from Snapchat without them knowing. Even though Snapchat announces that all pictures will be inaccessible after a short time, you can still save Snapchat pictures anonymously. There are many useful ways to make copies or Snapchat pictures without getting caught. You can save Snapchat pictures to camera roll and memories of your own legally. In another word, you can save your newly taken Snapchat picture before sending. It will not obey Snapchat privacy rules. First, open Snapchat app. Then, tap the settings icon on the top right corner. Now, tap memories. And then select Save To from its list. Save Snapchat pictures to camera roll or memories together or selectively. Note, if you save Snapchat pictures to memories, all your photos will be backed up to Snapchat servers by default. You can also enable Smart Backup to back up Snapchat pictures over mobile data while Wi-Fi is unavailable. Thus, you can access backup Snapchat pictures on any device. If you prefer to save Snapchat to camera roll only, you can save Snapchat pictures or camera roll or gallery on your phone only. When others try to save your Snapchat pictures, you will receive the Snapchat notification quickly. Consequently, Snapchat will notify the sender if you save his or her picture on Snapchat. You can use these screenshot features to save Snapchat pictures to Android. Because of the anti-screenshot feature, Snapchat will notify the person that the Snapchat picture was screenshotted. It is useful if you screenshot a Snapchat picture after turning off the network connection. Snapchat will still send a notification via the network connection few minutes later. You can use another phone or camera to save Snapchat pictures without screenshot. You can capture Snapchat display while viewing, though the Snapchat image quality is not good. You can also use a Snapchat photo grabber or saver to save pictures from Snapchat without notifying. For instance, you can choose Save My Snaps, Snaps Savers, Casper, SnapSave, Snapbox, and more as your best app to save pictures. Sadly, Snapchat Saver apps are banned currently. You may find the Snapchat Saver stops working or crashes suddenly. Things will be worse if you are caught while using Snapchat Savers apps or plugins. Your Snapchat account will be locked. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.